Hey guys, this is the limited edition Halo 3 controller for the Xbox 360. It's in a pretty bad state. You've got a lot of grime and dirt. The top left analog controller seems to be quite sticky, so I'm guessing inside there is all like dirt and grime. The edges of it, I'm going to give this a good clean through. I'll make sure it's all working correctly. The D-pad feels a little bit strange as well, so I'm gonna check that out to make sure there's no damage in there as well. The rest of it seems to work fine. I mean, we will pull this apart and have a look, see what's inside, if there's any problems. The second controller I've got is this one. This all works fine. The only problem is that it's dirty. So again, this is going to need a good clean up. I'll probably pull it apart as well to give it a thorough clean, you know. And once that's done, we shall see the outcome. So this is inside the controller. If I can zoom in on this a little bit better for you. So inside it looks like that there is some corrosion or something's been spilt on these parts here. You can see it's kind of like white. It's like a white residue, and along the top here you can see some sort of like corrosion there. Aside from that, I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, I can clean that up with some isopropyl alcohol, and that should clean that up pretty well. There's nothing other than that in the controller. I mean, it works fine. It's just this very slight. I'm not sure what that's caused by. Probably humidity or some sort of liquid spillage, perhaps. Aside from that, let's have a look what else is in here. So let's zoom out a little bit. Focus on that. So first off, we need to remove the actual board itself. It's a little bit tricky this to remove. So these can disconnect quite easily, but we'll leave that there for the moment. So it's not that bad to remove. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, I think that was kind of loose, but there for the D-pad, don't think it was making a full connection. I don't think that was fitted correctly. Okay, so we'll clean that up. Obviously we'll remove all these as well while we're at it. So what I'm going to do here, let's double check this. Alright, yeah, look, you can see some more corrosion there. Well, it looks like corrosion. I don't know what it is, but along, if I can get along here, you've got some more white residue there as well. I'll maybe just clean these up also. This is just hair. It's disgusting. So let's see if I can remove these off. So underneath there, that looks kind of dirty as well. I need to clean that out. If I can zoom in on that a bit. Perhaps focus in. So there's nothing visible inside there, apart from like a lot of dust, I suppose. So I could give that a clean out. Maybe it just needs a good blast of air or something. Yeah, there's nothing. There's no obstruction inside it. If I just, yeah, you can feel it's kind of loose. compared to this one, it's disgusting again. It's like hair or something, dog hairs. Yeah, so this one is a bit more firm, if you know what I mean. It doesn't move around. There's no play in that one. Whereas this one, you can feel there's a lot more play. So what I'll do, I'll clean those out. And I'll also clean the plastics as well. And we'll get back to putting the controller back together again. I mean, inside here is pretty much straightforward. This looks relatively clean, but still, it's all going to get washed out. So now it's all completed. All the buttons work correctly. There's no sticking on this top one. I've given it a good clean, so that I've got rid of all that grime and filth. And as you can see, the back of it looks all neat and tidy. So yeah, this has come out quite nice. I'm quite happy with this. All working, job done. If you like this video, please subscribe or like, or even drop a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching.